You know, there's one thing you can count on from a Trump supporter: lack of common sense and pure stupidity. You normally also hear them quoting rhetoric from places like Fox News, so majority of Trump supporters basically all repeat the entire same thing that they hear from Fox News. Like everything that Fox News says, they all basically get on. It's almost like they get on code, and it's like whenever something happens, they all say the exact same thing. It's almost like you're talking to the same person. But my thing is, I wonder how Trump supporters feel now that they are seriously getting ready to lose their health care. I mean, they got what they wanted. This is what they asked for. Let's see. This is a new article that came out. This is, let's see, when did this come out? I think this came out today. It says pro-Trump states mostly affected by his health care decision. President Trump decision to end provision of the Affordable Care Act that was benefiting roughly 6 million Americans helps fulfill a campaign promise. So as you can see, healthcare was like the number one topic he focused on when he was running for president. And his main subject or main topic was repealing Obamacare. And what's so freaking funny to me is that most of his supporters didn't even know what repeal meant. Most of them had no idea that meant to end the Affordable Care Act. In fact, most of his supporters didn't even know that the Affordable Care Act and Obamacare were the same thing. As ridiculous as that sounds, they had no idea. A lot of that comes from their exposure to Fox News, which pretty much most of the time referred to the Affordable Care Act as Obamacare. So this is why they were confused and didn't know that the Affordable Care Act and Obamacare were the exact same thing. And these are the people who claim to be a part of the high IQ population. Yeah, they made their bed, so now they just need to lay down and take a good nap or a long sleep in it. Nearly 70% of those benefiting from the so-called cost-sharing subsidies live in states Trump won last November, according to analysis by Associated Press. The number underscores the political risk for Trump and his party, which could end up owning the blame for increased costs and chaos in the insurance marketplace. The subsidies are paid to insurers by federal government to help lower consumer deductibles and copays. Okay, so this is what they have been talking about and fussing about ending. So, well, Trump supporters, I hope you are happy.